The OnePlus 15 and OnePlus Ace 6 will officially launch in China on October 27th. Now OnePlus 15 hands-on unboxing and first look. We've already known quite a bit about the OnePlus 15 thanks to weeks of teasers. OnePlus 15 will be available in sand dune, absolute black, and a soft mist purple. OnePlus 15 hands-on in all 3 color variants. Which one is your favorite? It will also have a metal frame body with an IP68 rating and toughened glass protection for durability. The OnePlus 15 a triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel Sony LYT700, a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 ultra-wide shooter, and a 50-megapixel Samsung JN5 telephoto lens with up to 3.5x optical zoom, and OnePlus new Detail Max engine for sharper shots. The new display features a 1.15mm ultra-narrow symmetrical bezel on all 4 sides, featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, paired with LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.1 storage. Run on the latest version of ColorOS 16 based on Android 16. 15 is tipped to sport a 6.78-inch 1.5K BOE X3 display with Dolby Vision support, 1 to 165 Hz 8T LTPO dynamic refresh rate and Pro XDR visuals, and 1800 nit peak brightness. An ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. The new display features a 1.15mm ultra-narrow symmetrical bezel on all 4 sides, backed by a massive 7000 mAh battery that's supporting 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. OnePlus 15 pricing in China: 12GB plus 256GB, 4,299 yen. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.